welcome. I don't think this is a try not, well, it is a try not to laugh challenge, but this is a cats and dogs react to farts compilation, and this was suggested by my good friend Michael, and you can go down in the description and there'll be a link to his channel where you can go check him out and see what he has over there, because he's doing some pretty cool stuff over there, and it'll be pretty cool. We're just gonna get started now. Come on. Okay.
Out of the box.
Out of the box.
Out of the box.
Out of the box.
Out of the box. oh. Oh my. Hey! Oh, that poor dog. Oh, he doesn't know what's going on. Oh, that face. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's fun. I like that. Oh, that cat. He has his... Aww. It's cute. Where's it coming from? Where's that voice coming from? Oh my god. I'm just gonna be laughing like an idiot throughout this whole video. I'm sorry. Oh, that poor cat. Oh, that face.
Dozer, is your butt making funny sounds? Dozer, is it going? Is it going?
Ah. Oh my.
Are you running away from your butt?
We can't run away from your butt. It's always there. Oh my god, look at that one. It's like, oh, I don't want any of that. Ah, I love it when dogs do that. It's just like, what? It's real mature. I am very mature, as you could tell. Oh. Sit down. They instantly stop. Huh.
Angelina.
Hi, Angelina, you're such a cute dog. Oh. Oh. Oh.
We have to videotape this.
Please. But that woke you up. Oh, he's so cute, little tiny dog. Hi, yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, he went. Why is it so funny? It itched the ear. What was that? Did that come from here? Did that come from?
She's going through chemo right now. And
Oh, it's so cute. Aw.
yeah.
He's like, God, what was that? Did you just fart? Oh my god, that was good. Honestly, I've never laughed that much with the funny videos that I've had suggested to me before. Not that they're bad. This one, it was really good. I just want to say thank you, Michael, for suggesting this to me last night. It's really funny and I enjoyed watching it. If you want to watch this one again, or I don't know. Yes, if you want to watch this one again, I'll put it in the description along with my friend Michael's link to his channel, so you can go check him out.